Your forecast looking pretty good as we head into the end of your week and the first day of winter. Your temperature today so far 66. We could hit 67, 1 degree away from that record. Tomorrow, far from the record. Temperatures come down and that record spikes to 73 degrees. But then Friday, record comes back down. Our temperature goes up. 66 forecast high. Look at that record, 68. First day of winter is Friday, and we could break the record, of course, just in time for winter. All right, so looking ahead, though, to next week, not so much records. We actually look like our temperatures are going to drop below average by maybe not Christmas, but after Christmas for sure, and things are looking like that, and it looks like it could be a little wetter than normal into next week as well. Not saying it's going to rain, it just looks like if the pattern holds, it looks like we got some changes to talk about next week. And in the forecast, you'll see those changes, but we don't have much rain to talk about yet. All right, so right now, 66 degrees in Las Vegas, 66 Boulder City, 55 in St. George, Utah, and Death Valley into the mid-60s, upper 60s as well. Now tonight, your temperature is dropping back to 45 degrees here in town, 35 in Pahrump, so a little bit warmer than the last couple of mornings and well above where we should be, which is 38 degrees. We're talking 51 out in Laughlin, and tomorrow's highs looking just as nice as today. 65 in Las Vegas, 67 Pahrump, and 75 for Death Valley. No records, as I mentioned, but we'll have the sunshine. Winds aren't going to be too bad, and clouds are going to start increasing as well tomorrow. All right, so Friday, there's that record, 68. We dropped those temperatures, though, through the weekend just slightly. 65 on Saturday, mostly sunny skies. Partly sunny on Sunday, 62. And then overnight lows into the mid-40s. First day of winter, if you don't know what that means the sun is at its lowest point in the sky, in the southern hemisphere, that is. It's over the Tropic of Capricorn. That's the farthest south it gets. That's going to be at 223. On Friday. Then it's going to start to move north again, and that spring equinox, which is in March, that's when the sun is directly over the equator. Then it's going to move into the northern hemisphere. But for winter, things pretty warm. But then next week, there you go, those changes. Christmas Eve looking nice, 62, mostly sunny. A little cooler Christmas Day, winds start to pick up, and then the changes start. Look at that temperature, 50s on Christmas Day, and then 53 degrees next Wednesday. We'll fine-tune that forecast. Anything from Christmas Eve on, still up for grabs. It looks like we'll have nice weather Christmas Eve, but things could change. A slight chance of rain also in that forecast Christmas Day. We'll fine-tune that as well over the next couple afternoons.